Two more questions. I run a one-person business. I don't have a team to delegate to. I hear that. Can AI actually replace some of that capacity? I mean, to me, this is a bit of a softball, but like, I think that the takeaway here is like, what is the one thing that you would delegate tomorrow if you could? And then you may not have the answer, but go into, if you have ChatGPT or Claude, and ask it how it could help you automate that one thing that is like that you would love to offload. Maybe that's like reporting or analysis on your business, or maybe it's writing copy for your products, product descriptions, like whatever that one thing is where you're like, ugh, I have to sit down and do this. Cause like we know you wear a lot of hats. Not all of them are things that you're passionate about. They're just things that need to happen to help the business run. For me, it's just start there, and you don't have to know that you can delegate that. Just ask if there are ways to, and it will work with you to figure that out. I do that all the time.
Love it.